All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Monday, first day of the week. Not a pretty start to the week. This is across my Apex accounts, 10 Apex accounts, and 5 Tradify accounts. I'm up $80 on my Lucid account, and I'm looking to hopefully pass 4 more Lucid Pros by the end of the week to add to my allocation. Now, today was a pretty simple read in my opinion. I took a loss, but I still got the bias wrong. I got my draw right. Very unfortunate delivery. I'm not gonna lie. Do I think the delivery was valid? No, not at all. All right. I'm gonna go over into what price did today. So first things first, we have a few unfilled gaps below us, but the main objective for the day, in my opinion, is this unfilled daily gap above us. So we have an unfilled daily gap above us. We have this 15-minute swing high that taps into this gap right here. We have this hourly high, and we have the unfilled daily gap above us. So these are my objectives for the day, meaning this is where I want price to go on the grand scheme of things. What does market open do? Immediately manipulates lower into this 1 hour gap. So market open immediately, just accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So now we're just obviously bullish, right? Now, in theory, 930 should have been my entry. I hesitated to enter at 930. I didn't like the way price wicked up so high. I thought that we swept this high. Turns out we just made equal highs or something. Basically equal highs. Relative equal highs. In my eyes, I thought we swept the high. I didn't like how price wicked up so high and then closed here. So I just didn't enter at 930. However, after that, we ended up getting the entry we wanted. We made a bearish candle and then we closed above it, giving us bullish confirmation. I was very confident in this trade. I'm not going to lie. I was very confident. Ended up losing around $400 per account. And then we also lost $1.2 thousand per account in Asia on Tradify. So essentially like a $5.5 and $4.5 thousand loss type thing going on, right? So pretty simple trades based off an order block targeting an external draw, right? Where did I personally go wrong today? Where did I think I could have improved on my trading? That I took a trade towards an external draw. I usually don't trade this way. I never really do. All my trades are always based off internal targets, right? Meaning I'll look for something like this to target this high, right? Was this a valid trade for me? No, there's no entry, right? Maybe something like this is more of my liking, but the risk reward isn't there. But yeah, this was not really my model today. I did kind of force a trade. This is not the way I trade. I don't trade based off external targets. Now, with that being said, we did take a pretty heavy size loss today on the Tradify account, so I am going to have to slowly rebuild those back. As for Apex, I'm not as worried for those. I'm not really too worried about the Apex accounts. I'm sure we can rebuild those back as well. But yeah, my main goal, like I said, I do still believe Lucid Trading is the best prop firm, so I wish I could just get allocated with them right now so I could be trading them over anyone else, right? They're the only prop firm that pays out instantly and you don't have to deal with bullshit. So with that being said, what did I tell you guys? If you guys look at my Instagram, I make videos saying if price does an SMT at both sides of the market, what are we going to do? We're just going to chop. This is not good price action. This is very choppy price action, right? If you look at ES has been in a clear uptrend the entire day. If you look at Nasdaq, we ended up making an SMT at this high and then dumping, right? Which is very unfortunate. And now you bump, bro. Which is very unfortunate. But with that being said, I did take a, pretty heavy size loss today, fully transparent about it, not trying to get canceled. So I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Free Discord is in bio. I also do live trade. Not sure you guys want to join the live trading after you see me take this L on live, but everything is in bio for you guys to join. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.